Welcome to my channel. This is Vicky. Today's lesson, we'll learn contraction words, their meanings, and their opposites. We'll also read a sentence with the words. For example, don't is a contraction of do not, and the opposite is do. Don't be afraid to try something new. Let's get ready. Let's go. Aren't, are not. Opposite is are. We aren't going to the gym today. Can't, cannot. Opposite can. I can't wait to go on vacation. Couldn't, could not. Opposite of could. I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw it. Didn't, did not. Opposite of did. She didn't go to the party last night. Doesn't, does not. Opposite of does. He doesn't like broccoli. Don't, do not. Opposite of do. Don't forget to brush your teeth before bed. Hadn't, had not. Opposite of had. They hadn't heard the news until today. Hasn't, has not. Opposite of has. He hasn't finished his homework yet. Haven't, have not. Opposite of have. We haven't been to that restaurant before. I'd, I would. Opposite of I wouldn't. I'd love to go on vacation. I will. Opposite of I won't. I'll call you later. I am. Opposite of I'm not. I'm excited about the new movie. I have. Opposite of I haven't. I've already finished my chores. They would. Opposite of they wouldn't. They'd rather go hiking than swimming. They will. Opposite of they won't. They'll meet you at the park at 3 p.m. Isn't, is not. Opposite of is. That isn't the right way to the mall. It is. Opposite of it isn't. It's time to go to bed. Mustn't, must not. Opposite of must. You mustn't touch that hot stove. Shouldn't, should not. Opposite of should. You shouldn't stay up so late. Wasn't, was not. Opposite of was. He wasn't happy about his grades. Weren't, weren't, were not, opposite of were. They weren't able to finish the project on time. There, they are, opposite of they aren't. They're going camping this weekend. We're, we are, opposite of we aren't. We're staying home today. Will, we will, opposite of we won't. We'll meet at the park later. Won't, as will not, opposite of will. I won't be able to come over tonight. Wouldn't, would not, opposite of would. She wouldn't share her toys with others. You'd, you would, opposite of you wouldn't. You'd better start studying for the exam. You'll, you will, opposite of you won't. You'll love the taste of this dish. You're, you are, opposite of you aren't. You're doing a great job. You've, you have, opposite of you haven't. You've got to see that movie. That's the end of the lesson. Great job. I hope you keep practicing. Watch it a few times if you need to. And don't forget to write the words in your English notebook. That way you'll remember them. Again, thank you for practicing with me. See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel.